Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Doogee V20. First of all, you need to go into Play Store on both devices and click on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Following that, you need to choose I accept, then confirm, continue and allow. Now finally select receive on Doogee and send on an Android. After that you need to click on all of those type of dots and tap on send. This way you can choose all of your files and then send them. It will take a long time to do that now, so I will go with only one photo. Just send and click on got it, only for example. Now on Doogee, choose no thanks and close this window. After that we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code. If you wish to do that, you need to click on the scanning icon on Doogee, select while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the QR code. But if you don't want to do that, you can always input this key instead and tap on receive button over here. And now, as you can see, after a while, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!